Aperture, what is it? Essentially, this is the iris in the lens. It's like the floodgates, which allows light to hit the sensor. What does it do, or the effects rather, because it's a bit of a weird physics one with a lot of science involved. But to break it down, it has a very small number, which has a very wide iris or wide floodgate. The bigger the number, the smaller the floodgate. So what does that mean? A lot of smartphones now have that kind of fuzzy, blurry background effect. That's because the software is trying to replicate a very big iris or a very wide aperture, small number. We don't want that. We want everything to be nice and sharp throughout the room. So this is called depth of field. And it works on kind of layers and planes, which is very, very complicated and you don't need to know. But the kind of sweet spot that we look for is anywhere between 7.1 and f9. Once you've kind of picked your poison, I guess, f9 for example, just don't change it. There's just no need to fiddle around with settings. It may look professional and cool, but it's just no need, and it's just a bit of a waste of time really. So once you've got f9 locked into the camera, or whatever it is, f8 or f7.1, keep it as it is, and you'll be absolutely fine.